Hey guys, what's going on? We're back on the GSXR. Oh man, it's been a while since I've been on the GSXR for real. I mean, you can't blame me though. I've mainly been trying to focus on like the dirt bike content and getting used to it, breaking it in. Hopefully, as the weather gets warmer though, you'll see more of the GSXR content. But as you can see, based off of where I am, dirt content is slightly easier to make. Oh man, people are out on their boats, sweet! That's our next stop, guys, a jet ski. If I get 100 subscribers, if I get like 100,000 subscribers, I will do a wheelie across this bridge. Just don't have much to talk about, to be honest. Not today. I just thought I'd come out and make a video. For those of you guys who haven't noticed, I'm not really much of a talker. I mean, so I know what you're asking. You're like, why did you want to be a moto vlogger if you don't like talking? That makes no sense. It's because I love to ride bikes, man. It's my passion, like a hobby. Something a little more fulfilling than playing video games, I guess, you know? I'm drawn to it. So that's why I want to do it, because it's my passion. But as far as like making up BS to talk about, not the best. I'm not much of a small talker, to be honest. But I do hope that you guys can enjoy the scenery. You know, at least I can offer, you know, other things like knowledge and scenery and, you know, a peaceful space for you to enjoy my content. That's what I'm hoping for, at least. A getaway. I don't know if you guys can tell, but I actually increased the sharpness. I noticed that in a couple of my past videos, they were kind of blurry, especially for the off-road content, and I hated that. You know, if I want my channel to be about scenery and, you know, quality, you know, it needs to show in my content. And motion blurriness and blandness isn't really part of the memo. Kind of contradicts that message. So hopefully you guys can tell the difference. Package. It looks good, it sounds good. That's kind of why I've had a hard time getting rid of it, because I like it so much. Every time I think, oh, I'm gonna sell it, I'm definitely gonna sell it, you know, I twist the throttle and I have 5 more reasons why I'm going to keep it another year. For those of you who don't know what it feels like to ride a motorcycle, it is honestly the most relaxing thing. For those who enjoy it, some it's just a way of commuting, but for others, it's like sitting in a sauna or a spa or I don't know, exercising. Exercising is therapeutic for some people, or meditating, or any other sort of release. And that's what it is for me, it's a release. Especially when the weather's nice like this. And if you have good music, oh man. And good roads, oh man. Probably turn in soon. I've got to go back to work, but this was a nice little moto vlog, right? Like, nice little moto vlog for a nice spring day, I guess. Even though it's not technically spring yet. But man, when it is spring, you can expect more of that for sure.